Hello, my name is Antons Antonovs. I would like to demonstrate you shortly my website. It's a weather website that sends requests to different websites and show the data from this website. I added hover effect for all buttons and animation for background and text area fields. So if we not enter any city and click find city, please enter city. Okay, we enter Dublin, find city. I got data from website. It will show name, temperature, humidity, and all other information. For local temperature, it will read device location. So we click my location, loading icon showed for 4 seconds, and then location is temperature is here. We can clear text, we can convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit and backwards. So let's convert. It's changed and back to F to C. We can save it to JSON file. Here, as you can see, file saved. Here is the file. 1 second. With information. Now, design is fully resizable. You will see it now in a second. All elements changing the size. Now, let's see the chart. It will show chart Dublin. Let's put London. Find city. Hide chart. Show chart. Show Dublin, London. We can compare two cities. Sorry, there was a small issue. I fixed it. So Dublin, London, we can compare. Let's hide, compare. Different chart. Let's add. Oh, sorry. Let's add one more city, Madrid. We have 3 now. We can compare them. Now we can print chart. If we click print, it will open new frame. And we can clear all text. Thank you for your attention.